Exercise example 7.14. Obtain the answer to A and B in exercise example 7.13 if the circuit is connected to a high frequency supply 240 volt and 10 kilohertz frequency. Hence explain the statement that at very high frequency inductor in circuit amount to open circuit. How does an inductor behave in a DC circuit after the steady state? So this question depends upon the question number 7.13 in which we have value of R, this is a given value, right? Value of R is 100 ohm, clear? L is 0.5 Henry. Right, this is what the given in 7.13, but this 7.14 question depends upon 7.13 values, and frequency is very high in this question, which is 10 kilohertz, right? So it is 10 raised to 4 hertz, right? Kilo means 10 raised to 3 and 10, so it is 10 raised to 4 hertz. Now that is epsilon RMS value is 240 volt. Right, this is what given. Now in 7.13 we are finding maximum current. So here also we first find maximum current and then after we do the comparison. Let's see. So maximum current, that is I naught is equal to epsilon naught by root of R square plus XL square. So this value will be epsilon naught by root of, we can write epsilon naught as epsilon root 2 RMS. So it will be root 2 RMS, clear? By an excuse, that is epsilon naught is equal to, ERMS is equal to epsilon naught by root 2. So from this epsilon naught is equal to root 2 RMS. R square plus XL is omega square L square. Clear? Now substituting values we get root 2 value is 1.41, epsilon RMS is 240 divided by root R square, R value is 100, its square plus omega is twice pi f, which is 4 pi square, f value is 10 raised to 4 square, right? And into L square, so it is 0.5 square. Now on calculating this value we get the answer, that is 1.08 into 10 raised to minus 2 ampere. This is the maximum current, right, what we are getting in this question when the frequency is very high, which is 10 raised to 4 hertz. Okay, now also we find phase angle, which is tan phi. So tan phi is equal to, it is omega L by R, so is equal to putting value, it is omega is twice pi f, so it is 2 pi, value of f is 10 raised to 4 into L, which is 0.5 upon R, which is 100. So this is 314, clear? This is tan phi. Now you find that this value is very large, right? So large value in tan is only possible when angle is 90. So by that we can write, which is 314 value is very large. So phi angle is equal to 90, which is pi by 2. Clear? Now if we do the comparison, that in 7.13 example we have a frequency f is equal to 50 hertz. Clear? That time we got I naught is equal to 1.82 ampere. Now in this question 7.14 we have a frequency 10 raised to 4 hertz. Clear? And we got the current I naught is equal to 1.08 into 10 raised to minus 2 ampere. Clear? Now you easily find that at low frequency we get the maximum current. Maximum means the higher value of maximum current. And at higher frequency, that is 10 raised to 4 hertz, we get the low value of maximum current. Clear? So from this comparison we can write, which means that at higher frequency L offer very large resistance. So it behave as open. Clear? Now in DC circuit we can write for here that in DC circuit, right, we know that XL is equal to twice FL, right? But frequency F is equal to 0, therefore XL is equal to 0. So from this we can say that, so L act as pure conductor, right? This is possible when the circuit having DC supply. Clear? Thank you.